Page 34, jig. You can Google what a musical jig is. It's a dance, a very happy little dance. We have a new time signature, 3/8 time. So now instead of a quarter note getting a count, now it's an eighth note gets a count, which explains all the eighth notes. And there's only 3 of them in a major, so you usually go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but you're counting eighth notes. At the bottom of page 35, I'll go ahead and mention it. The 6/8 time is very similar to 3/8, except instead of counting to 3, you're counting to 6. Big deal. I'm sure the next piece is in 6/8 time. I treat them the same. So let's look it over. It's almost a page and a half long, or a little over a page long, however you want to look at it. I just want a general idea of how long it is. Treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature, so we're either in C major or A minor. And we're landing on C's here, so I'm guessing we're in C major. But do the scales for both, C major and A minor. You do 1 octave if you're still not comfortable with them, but you do 2 octaves if you are comfortable with 1 octave. But again, it's the trill exercise, the accents, working the wrist. Those are the things that will do you the most good right now. And 3/8 time, right hand first, we're here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now thumb then. Here you got 1 beat rest to come up. Thumb comes down. We're back where we were. Get the idea? So much for that. Now the right hand is playing some of these notes like at the bottom of page 34. Measure 22, you're here. Come down for the 1 note. You can play that with any finger you want. I don't recommend thumb because thumb's a short finger, but any of the other, just whatever. I usually use second, but you can use third. I don't care. Just pick a finger and play it. It's okay. Same thing in measure 26. Just play it with a finger. Oh. Left hand, what's here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is fun. Let's go down to measure 19. We're here. 1. And the right hand plays that G, and the left hand just stays there. The right hand plays the G in measure 26, and then thumb comes up, then back down. The last line, measure 31, you're here, and then you get to come down through the B's. That's okay. You can use 5/1 on all those if you want. Then I'll put the hands together, starting with 4th measure here, here, then here, then here, the B here, there in measure 9. It's thumb now, then measure 10. The idea, you put the hands together and then go through and work out the hesitation so it's a steady beat from start to finish. Work on the hard parts though. Work on the parts only where you're hesitating. Don't keep playing at all. Then once the hesitations are gone, then we add the articulation, and here it's all just connected. Just connect it. That's fine. Just connect it all the way through. It's close enough. Dynamics, you're starting out loud. Then the melody, that's that. These soft, but in measure 6, that's melody, and all of that has to be loud. Everything else is in the background. So it's soft, loud, soft. And then at the bottom, measure 29. Now the left hand gets it. This is soft. So bring out the melody. Wherever it is, just bring out the melody. Everything else is soft. You don't go as fast as I'm going yet. Then the speed. And it is loud. You want to feel it in 1, actually. 1, 1, 1, 1. Eventually you want to feel it in 1, but if you can't play it accurately that fast, then slow it down. I consider accuracy more important than speed, although not all teachers agree with that. They would say, no, get in the mood and just play it. Don't worry about if it's accurate or not. Do the best you can. Feel it is what they're after. And I say, no, I want accuracy first. And then we get into feeling. Something you don't have to go that fast. Go this fast. However fast you can play it accurately. Everybody will be a little different. And again, when you come back through to play these pieces for fun, you'll play them faster and better then. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because it's in 3/8 time. I'm not going to do any louds and softs and play it all about the same because we're just checking notes and rhythms. 1, ready, go. 1, rest, rest, rest.